Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we are going to check out what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We're located in DFW. I went to 4 stores for this part of the week, so let's go shopping and see what's new. I put all the pictures together into one video for y'all. And apparel and accessories, we have these tote bags, which would make great teacher gifts. They say teach your life with the rainbow pencil. Do what makes you happy in the purple. You can also get the tote bag in yellow with the yellow smiley faces or the herbs that are printed across the front. Or you can create your own with the solid white bag. They also had some reusable shopping bags for $1.25. They had this tan bag with the heart with all the different flowers. You could also get the red bag with the tan flowers. Has a light blue strap. They have the all green that says Mother Earth thanks you, and the blue, white, and red that looks like waves. Also, they have their sunglass holders in, and these are the extra large sunglass holders, so definitely big enough to hold the bigger, larger, more in style sunglasses that are popular right now. So definitely check those out because they don't always have those throughout the year. And they have them in quite a few different colors. I found them in black, brown, tan, red, pink, and lavender. In the arts and crafts this week, there really wasn't a whole lot new, but they did restock their gemstone jewel border stickers. They have them in the blue gemstones, also the pink. You get 3 strips of the stickers that are connected, and they have them in red. You could also purchase them in the black, or they have them in the white gemstone stickers. If you haven't seen the acrylic DIY boards yet, those are back in also. They have them in 3 sizes. They sell them in a 4x6, a 5x7, and an 8x10. Their Christmas DIY large wood signs are restocked. They have the stars, the snowflakes, and the large ornament shapes. Also, they restocked the DIY sleds and a bunch of their ornaments in 3D style picture arrays. Then they had their little banners that say like season's greetings, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. I believe you get 2 in a pack. I believe last year it was 3. But this is the first time I've seen those banners out this year. They have the beaded wreaths restocked. I had a whole bunch of those, and the DIY cardboard boxes. Some of the glitter glue in a bunch of different colors. Then the baby and toddler gear, we've got the Guru Nanda Butter On Gums Extra Soft Bristle Brush. They also had some different packs of toothbrushes for little ones in the 3-pack. The LOL dolls and the My Little Pony. They had the Chunky Angel of Mine silicone baby spoons in the 2-pack. You can either get those in the green or the lavender. And then we'll look and see what's new for the health and beauty section, which is going to be the new items that I found in the cosmetics, the hair care, and the pharmacy and personal care style items. They had the self-adhesive metallic gold stripes for your nails. Also, these Beauty Intuition lip gloss in the 3-pack. They had 2 different sets of those out for just $1.25. This long wear multi-usage contour and concealer for just $1.25, or you can get the makeup correcting gel pen. You can see here it says it creates a correction pen. There's the lip sugar scrub in peach and honey, and then lots of these 7 nail press and go nails. These are nice because it already has the adhesive in the packaging, so you don't have to purchase glue separately, which is always nice. And these are cute because they have a lot of very soft neutral tones with some like pearls and rhinestones, or you can get some more vibrant colors like green, black, white, blue, and dark red, maybe a little bit of gold. Lots of different packs of those nails. They had these faux fur headbands. They're about an inch wide at the top. You can either get them in this off-white. They have this really pretty bluish gray color and a rose pink. Then you get these headbands with the ruffle and ruching on the top and the sides. They had those in the lavender, or you could also get them in this very light rose pink. It's like a dusky rose, almost peach to a certain, under certain lights. These are snap clips with the gemstones and pearls. You could either get the teardrop shape or the rectangle, a large claw clip with the gold accent. And then they had these Be Pure toning masks for blonde and brunette hair, and the Monday Smooth Wheat Protein Conditioner. We've also found these lip plumping kits that you can purchase, and the resurfacing and exfoliating enzyme mask with the pumpkin and ahas. Then they had some bath bombs in the lavender scent, which is the moon shape. They have the ocean breeze, which is the blue star. You can see from the side how thick these are. Or you can get the one that looks like a like hot cocoa. That one is gingerbread scented, and the snowflake is the vanilla scent bath bomb. These are all 3 ounces each. The traditional round one is just the winter spice scent. Then there's the Body Raves bath fizzers. They have one that looks like a baseball, and it's a bunch of different colors. When it dissolves, there's also a football, and then the monster truck. Or in these little bottles, you can get the Crystal Water Sparkle Rose Scented Soap Confetti. It says confetti for the water. You just pour it in and it will dissolve in the water. We found these exfoliating stretch cloths. They had them in a couple different colors. They open really long and helps you can like wash your back a little bit easier and those hard to reach places. They had those in lots of different colors. For fun finds this week, up by the register, there's the toss and play water games. There's 2 of them. They come with a clip on the side so you can attach it to like a backpack or a purse for play. Then they had more of these novelty stickers. So I believe like a week or so ago, I found a bunch of these puffy Dorito stickers for the little ones. And then they had more this week. There was the Chester's Cheetos stickers. You could see they have Chester, the Flaming Hot Cheetos. You could also get Pringles. It has the Pringles man on it, and some new miniature notebooks. These are drawing notebooks with the checkerboard pattern on the front. It has the elastic band to help hold it closed, and they're hard bound. You can see they're just traditional drawing paper. For home decor, I found these 4-pack of Nightmare Before Christmas coasters. You actually get 4 coasters, and there's a different design for each coaster. And if you look on the back of the packaging, all the pictures, it'll show you the 4x4 picture that you get. And you get 4 different pictures for each pack of coasters. And I found 4 sets of the coasters. So there's 16 different coasters in all. If you want to collect all 4 packs, I do think they're like a really thick cardboard, but there is 4 in each pack. Then I found more of the bead garland here with the twine. They had some of these hangers that say love, home, and hope with the wood circles and beads. These are a faux suede picture frame that fit a 5x7 photo. I only saw them in the brown. And then these great gifts right here in the red box are these really pretty mirrors that have a border, and it has like a frame on the inside, and the whole thing's the mirror. The office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, they had some extra large sticker sets. There's 11 pieces to this one. It says never stop reading. You get pictures on the front and the back of a bunch of different characters enjoying story time. Also, their Science Takes You Everywhere. It has a tiger reading, and there were like spaceships on the back. I love reading. And Ready for the Day had some different like weather symbols on it. There's some clipboards with the purple and blue color schemes, really pretty. Also, I found these Jot Activity watercolor pencils. You get 12 of them in a pack for just $1.25, and it also comes with a paintbrush. The housewares this week, we've got a bunch of the paracord restocked. They had it in a bunch of different colors. Just going to show you guys probably like 4 of them. They had a whole bunch. They also had a bunch of these utility candles, which are LED, and these baskets they brought back. They have them in 3 different color schemes. We have the gray, there's like a coral pink, and a mint green. And you can see they have a bunch of different bins, some with different cutouts in this side. There's the decorative cutouts. They sell them in either the rectangle or the cube style. I'll just show mostly the rectangular sizes. because you guys have seen these before. And then for the kitchen and pantry section this week, I found more of these melamine Disney bowls. There's the Mickey Mouse melamine bowl. It says it's good for the dishwasher if you wash them on the top rack. So I found two different Mickey Mouse bowls. They also had the Lilo and Stitch bowls, which were just sorry, not Lilo, it was Stitch. They had the all blue bowl with Stitch kind of all around the outside border with some flowers. And then I also found this Winnie the Pooh bowl. They had cups this week to go along with the Lilo and Stitch cup, but bowl, but that was the only cup that I saw. For the party supplies this week, we had a bunch of these novelty cups that look like stars with the straw and the straw topper. They also had the disco ball cup, and these are new. It's a table runner. They have them in two different colors. They're 48 inches long, and they have them either in the silver glitter or the gold glitter. Now they sell these at Five Below for $5, and these are twice as big at the Dollar Tree for just $1.25. So if you see them, I would pick them up. Over in the pet care section, they had a bunch of the cat nail clippers restocked for trimming the cat's nails. They also had the dental kit for your pets restocked, and these like dog treats and cat treats that are made with bamboo. Those have all been restocked, and then we'll look at the seasonal items. For the seasonal items, they've put out a bunch of signs that they either had out and sold already this year, or they're just putting out what's left. They had some different like peace signs, a couple different farmhouses that say season's greetings. They also had their garland restocked. It's like 50 feet of garland for the $1.25 in silver, gold, red, or green. They had their wooden DIY shapes. You get like 14 bells or 14 snowflakes. They also had some snowmen and gingerbread men. A couple different kitchen towels, oven mitts, and pot holders have been stocked. These are all repeats that we've already seen this year. These are just what's left that they're putting out. They did just put these candles out. There's 3 of them. We've got the Winter Magic, which is the white box. There's the Sugar and Pine and the Crimson Cranberry, all in these really cute containers. For the toys and games, a bunch of squishy toys. They have all the different like cakes, animals, all the ones we've seen before. I really haven't seen anything new as far as the squishies go this year, but they did have these new bubble ones out that were just $1.25, and there's 3 different ones you can pick from. You can either get 3 different dinosaurs or 3 different unicorns. The dinosaurs are yellow, red, or blue, and then the unicorns are purple, pink, and blue. And here is the bubble wand. You get all of those. Then there are these cloud butter, which is like a super stretchy slime. And those are just $1.25. You get quite a lot. It comes in a pretty big container. They had a few different scents. There's like cotton candy, which is the pink one. There's blue raspberry, which is blue. And then the campfire s'mores, that's the brown one. The Dollar Tree Plus section, this week we've got the $5 basketballs restocked. They also had this large pack of socks. It fits you size 4 to 10. You get 10 pairs of socks, and it's all the Disney Pixar. You can see all the different things that it says, and on the back of the packaging, it'll show you which each sock in the pack looks like. Also, we have these deluxe activity pads with 6 markers that come with the tablet. These are just $3 each. They also had Spider-Man. And then these are a large squishy style pillow. They had a panda bear, also a pink unicorn, and then this extra large spaceship. Those are all $5 each. This 100 Classic Games game collection for $5. You can see all the different games on the back of the box that it comes with. This is a large ornament organizer for $5. So I did buy something I'm going to share soon as a hack that you can purchase all year long to store your ornaments. These extra large stuffed dolls are absolutely adorable, and then they have the fake Stanleys in the checkerboard pattern that you could purchase also for $5. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. We usually post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. The videos will be coming out a little bit different just because of the holidays. I'm also busy with my family, so I promise to get them out as time allows. So hang in there with me, and I'd really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.